So here's how I wired the kicker base station. I have the two blacks going into a black wire, two red wires and one blue wire going into the red wire. I also have an RCA wire going into the aux as well. So just undoing the connections so you can see how it looks like. Also, this whole red wire that I have with the red and black just connects into the car using this. Okay, so kicker, wire harness, yeah. And that's what it's like with this plugged in. Now this aux would typically be plugged into a Y splitter, where one splits off into the car, and that's pretty much it.